Welcome to another EarMaster Pro tutorial. It's Drew James here, and this time we're going to stick with this rhythm idea, and we're going to have a look at rhythm imitation this time. Now this one's really important because if you're listening to a song and maybe there's a strumming pattern in it or a fingerstyle pattern that you're hearing played, it's very important that you can play the beat, the rhythm, what's played on traditionally sorry, for right-handed guitarists, what's played on the right hand, the beat. So what EarMaster Pro is going to do is it's going to play some rhythms and then it's going to get you to tap them back, which is going to improve your own inner metronome and improve your own inner timing. So once again, customized activity, hit rhythm imitation and hit begin. That's just from my last session. Okay, so we're going to leave everything the same. We're going to leave it on 4/4 and we're going to leave these highlighted like we did from the last video, but this one is a little bit different. Once again, your tempo, I suggest being at 60 when you're starting out. You should be speeding this number up. I think it will probably go all the way up to 200. I've never actually tried. So you should be speeding that up as you get more confident. Not sure what it goes up to. It's probably 200, I guess. And that's more than fast enough for note values like 16th beats. So we'll go to OK once we're on this page. And this is a little bit different from the last video. So we're going to have a counting bar, which will be our metronome counting 4. We're then going to hear a rhythm. And we're then going to be asked to clap back the rhythm. Now, there's two ways you can do this. Okay, so I'm going to start this question first of all. Let's just turn this up a little bit so you can hear it. Okay, so that's our rhythm. Now, my suggestion is start now, okay, on the beat. So you're keeping in time with the metronome. I'm just going to stop that. Okay, so we're going to try that again. Listen very carefully. And what you can do is you can clap it in front of your microphone. If you press down this button, then your microphone's turned on in the program. You can tap it on a mouse or tap it on the spacebar of the keyboard. So let's have another little listen to that. Okay, so I would hear that as... Okay, and there we go. At the end, we're shown what it looks like in rhythm notation, which is very useful because it references the video that we did before, and also tells you if you're right and wrong, and once again, tells you the timing. As I said, to get this green triangle right underneath the note, the program is very pernickety about your timing. It will get better the more you do it, and also there can sometimes be a lag between your keyboard or mouse and the computer itself, so sometimes that's why that crops up. But the important thing is green arrows means you're doing well, you've got the rhythm correct. Let's try another one. Okay, so I hear that as 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. Got that. Let's just go for one more today. So that's our counting. Okay, a little bit more challenging. So this one's going 1 and 2, 3, yeah, okay, that was okay. I got that one right. So there you go. That's imitating rhythm, which is so important. Usually when I'm teaching beginners, people who are self-taught, rhythm is the one thing that's overlooked. Everything looks like it's happening on the left hand and that you're fretting on a guitar, but the right hand, the strumming, is just as important. Apologies to any left-handed guitarists who are listening. Obviously, it's the other way around. Okay, so that is the tutorial. If you just go to settings again, you can call up that window from before and you can start including these note values. So level 2 would be adding in these 2 note values here. Sorry, these 3. That would be level 2. Level 3 would be adding in this note value here. Level 4 would be making sure all these are turned on, and you've also got 16th beats turned on, which is another way of counting. And 16th beat rests. Level 4 would be including dotted notes, so you'd be selecting all of these. and all of these rests at the bottom. And then finally level 5 would be adding in triplets and ties and swing beats. So I really hope that's been useful, and happy clapping happy clapping and tapping the rhythm into EarMaster Pro.